Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ, and today I'm going to show you how you can stop a specific cell value from changing in Excel 2016 when you use the autofill. So in my Excel document here, all I want to happen is I want the numbers in the column B to be multiplied by the multiplier here, and then the answers displayed in column C. So I will just show you the formula that we're going to be using. So it's very simple, it is just B2 multiplied by E2. Now when I use autofill, all I want to happen is I want it to increase the B value, so to increase it to B3, B4 and so on, but I want it to keep the E value the same as the multiplier is going to stay in the same cell. So at the minute, if we use the autofill, like so, as you can see it says the answer is 0. Now that's because if we use autofill, what it does is it increases the number of the B cell and the E cell, because we haven't told it to keep the E cell the same. So it increases the B cell like we want, so it increases B2 to B3, but then it also increases E2 to E3, and as you can see, cell E3 is blank. So to make it stay on the cell E2, first we will just delete this formula here, and then we will come back to this cell at the top, and now we're just going to edit the formula. So to keep the cell value the same, all we need to do is we just need to put a $sign before the letter and a $sign before the number. So now if we use autofill again, as you can see it now gives the correct answer, as it keeps the cell value for the multiplier the same, but it changes the B column value like we want. So now if I drag autofill back down all the way to the bottom, as you can see it works like it should, and say if we change the multiplier, like so, that also works as well. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.